art friends, we're going to be drawing Wally from Welcome Home today. So to start with, I'm gonna just kind of lay this guy out. He's got this great big blue hair and a face. And then he's got a palette right here. And he's sitting on a chair with a foreshortened knee. And I know you're saying, hey, that's awful scribbly. Yes, it is. But I'm just getting the layout done so I know where stuff goes. All right, and then he's got this easel thing here. Okay, I think I'm ready to start drawing him. Here we go. So to start, I'm gonna make his face, and it kind of comes out, and it's pretty circular. And then it comes around here. So I started a new line, and then comes up and around like that. And I'm gonna make that match up there like so. And then it's got a line there, and a line coming down. And there's his ear. Okay, there's our basic shape. Then he's got a really smiley mouth that kind of comes around like that. Comes down, and then there's a tongue back in there. And then his eyes are pretty ovally, and they're a little on a downward slant, like that. They've got a lid line. Okay, so there's, and then he doesn't have a nose. I guess this critter doesn't breathe. Okay, so then got the neck with a little handkerchief. And then we've got a shirt coming out, down, line coming down, and then it comes back up under the handkerchief, comes up here, and meets up with the arm and shoulder. All right, then we have another piece of that coming down and back up. And then we've got the sweater underneath, comes back up, like that. And it comes down, not super straight. And we got some buttons, and comes around like that. And then it's gonna come around like so. And then we've got the palette. And we'll just hook those lines back on there. And he's got a thumb coming through the palette like that, because there's always a hole there. And then we have got some colors on our palette. And I think my palette's a little short. I would have made it a little longer. Okay, now let's go to the other side. So the other side doesn't go out quite as far. This is longer. Comes up. And then He's got a little hook, comes back down, back up, and then over for his shoulder. And then we got a hand. So we're gonna have the thumb like that, kind of like a J. Then we're gonna have the brush next. We're gonna put a finger here, a finger here. Wait a second, those are ovals. Yes, they are, and you can do it. And then we've got a little pinky coming out. A little brush. There we go. And then we've got the rest of the arm, and he's got like a little shirt on underneath his jacket. And there's the gold. All right, now for his stripy pants. So they're gonna come down and over. And then we're gonna come around like this and up. And I know you're thinking, that doesn't look like a leg. Well, it's going back into space. And then here's the shoe. We've got some shoelaces. There we go. And then let's put the bench under him. So there's the bench. Like that. And we've got a leg coming down. Got a leg coming down. Then we have coming across. There we go. Then we've got another part coming around, and now we're ready for the other leg. So the other leg is just gonna come straight out and around, up, just like that. And we're gonna put the shoe here. So this is a different angle on the shoe. We've got some shoelaces. Okay, then we've got another little leg of the thing coming there. And another leg coming here. A little bit of that. And then this leg comes back up behind. And this leg, just a teeny bit you see. And I think I'm gonna put a little line back here. Coming across. There, that looks pretty good. Okay, then I could, you know, draw all these stripes in, or maybe not. I guess I've committed, I'm drawing them in. There, that's good. All right, then comes the easel. So we're gonna come across, come up, I'm gonna put a little rectangle here, come across, it's gonna overlap or be under him, he's overlapping it, or she, whichever. And then we're gonna come across and kind of overlap that a little bit too. Then we have a line coming down, a line coming across, and then we have a line coming down, kind of overlapping, and a line coming down, kind of more at an angle, like that. And then there's another line for the back, because you always got the back leg there for the easel. Okay, and I think that looks pretty good. Okay, we'll put him on the ground. There he is. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching. Oh, I forgot one little thing. Yeah, the other part of his hair. That looks better.